Did you know that in some shark species, the first baby to hatch inside the womb eats its siblings? That's right. Intrauterine cannibalism is real, and it's just one of many shocking survival tactics animals use. But why would evolution favor something so brutal? Welcome to Fast Animal Facts. Today we're diving into the fascinating and unsettling world of animal cannibalism. From survival strategies to reproductive tactics, we'll explore why some creatures are hardwired to eat their own kind, and what that tells us about nature itself. Cannibalism in animals isn't just a random or gruesome act. It often plays a critical role in survival. In the wild, every behavior carries either a cost or a benefit, and for some species, eating members of their own kind can actually improve their chances of thriving. Animals may resort to cannibalism to reduce competition for limited resources, to gain much-needed nutrients during food shortages, to control population size, or even as part of complex reproductive strategies. While it may seem horrific from a human perspective, in the animal kingdom, it's often just another tool in the evolutionary toolkit. Let's look at some real examples. The sand tiger shark is infamous for what's known as intrauterine cannibalism. While still in the womb, the first embryo to hatch will begin consuming its unhatched siblings. This brutal behavior ensures that only the strongest offspring survives to be born, a strategy that maximizes survival in a harsh ocean environment. In the world of mammals, male lions that take over a pride often kill, and sometimes consume, the cubs of their predecessors. This violent takeover prompts the females to become fertile again more quickly, allowing the new male to pass on his own genes instead of raising the offspring of a rival. Among fish such as guppies, adult individuals may eat their own young, particularly when food is scarce or the population density is high. This helps regulate the number of individuals competing for limited resources, acting as a form of natural population control. In the insect world, praying mantises and redback spiders are well known for sexual cannibalism. The female often eats the male during or after mating, and surprisingly, this can increase her reproductive success. The male essentially becomes a meal that helps fuel the development of her eggs, improving the chances that his own genes are passed on. Chimpanzees have been observed engaging in cannibalism under extreme stress, or during power struggles within social groups. In spadefoot toads, some tadpoles rapidly develop into a more aggressive, cannibalistic form that eats their siblings, giving them the energy needed to metamorphose before their pond dries up. One of the most haunting examples of animal cannibalism comes from the black lace weaver spider. After laying her eggs, the mother doesn't just protect her offspring, she becomes their first meal. In a process known as matrophagy, the mother sacrifices herself so her babies can consume her body. While this may sound morbid, it significantly boosts their survival chances and is considered an evolved behavior that maximizes reproductive success. In the end, cannibalism in the animal kingdom isn't about cruelty. It's about calculation. Whether it's a tactic to reduce competition, to ensure only the strongest survive, or to maximize reproductive output, this behavior reveals just how far evolution will go to give animals an edge in the struggle for life. What do you think? Is this brutal or brilliant biology? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fast Animal Facts for more deep dives into nature's wildest behaviors. Hungry for more? Check out our next video on the most lethal predators on Earth.